Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change home screen style in Samsung A36 or the A56. If you want to change your home screen styles, let's see how can I do this. Here's my home screen, here's the home screen and here's the app drawer. So you just have to open settings and then go for home screen, and when it's up settings here first of all you just have to select home screen layout, then select home screen only, then select apply. In this way, your app drawer or app screen will be disabled. Just like that, your apps will be moved to your home screen. So after that, just open settings, then home screen, and here just select home screen grid. You can easily change it from 4 by 6 to 5 by 6, just like that. Just tap on done, and here you can see that the grid has been changed. Now open settings again, and here just scroll down and you will get another setting, which is swipe down for notification panel. If you swipe down on your home screen, your notification panel will be appeared just like that. If you want to disable it, just disable that setting. So after that, your notification panel will not appear or enable on your swipe down, just like that. So that's how you can easily change your home screen style in Samsung A36 or the A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.